Hey guys, how's it going? It's Andy. I've stopped buying all stocks at this point, and it's not because anything happened in the overall market. One of the benefits of my strategy of consistently adding to my portfolio and buying every week, no matter what the market circumstances are, is that I don't have to worry about the chop of the market or read news stories. It's just based off of how I'm feeling at that point. If I have the money sitting in my account, I automatically invest it and I don't have to worry about, did I time the market right? Should I wait longer? Should I have bought earlier? It's all done without me having to have the emotional toll of deciding when to buy. The reason I've decided to stop buying stocks is not because I think that the market is in a bad spot. I think it's in a fantastic spot. The reason I stopped buying stocks is that my safety net is gone. On this channel, I think it's important to talk about the positives of investing, the really exciting stuff like putting money into your portfolio, adding new stocks, and then, in my case, talking about why I added them to my portfolio. That's really exciting stuff, and I'm sure you guys enjoy hearing about that stuff. But I wanted to talk about the real parts of investing that a lot of the channels on YouTube aren't going to talk about. And at this point, my investing strategy is I have my safety net set at $4,000. And anything I have sitting above that level gets automatically invested into my portfolio. I don't have to think about, is this the right time to buy? It just automatically gets put into that account and then I buy it automatically. But without the safety net, nothing happens. So I recently bought a car, about a 2014 Subaru Outback, really going with the Pacific Northwest vibes. And as a result of that, because of the cost of putting the down payment on it, the cost of getting the insurance, the cost of getting an inspection done, my safety net is gone. And so this does not meet my criteria of having more than the safety net in my account to start investing. So as a result of that, I have stopped investing at this point. I have all of my money sitting in my account. I have the dividends reinvested so that anytime I get a dividend from now until I start adding more to my portfolio, it's just going to get automatically reinvested. I don't have to worry about that. But I think it's really important to have these types of rules set up so you don't invest too aggressively. That's a mistake that I've made in the past where I've always wanted to get as much money into the stock market as possible. Everyone knows that the real benefit of investing in the stock market is longevity. So the earlier you can get invested and the more you can put in at the beginning, the better you're going to do in the long run. I've definitely made that mistake in the past about putting too much money into my investing portfolio. And then as a result of an unexpected circumstance, maybe in this case it's buying a car, so I guess it's not really unexpected. In the past I've had car problems, I've had medical stuff pop up. And as a result, I've had to dip into my investing accounts to pay those bills. And that's what we want to avoid at all costs. The way that we benefit from investing in the stock market is keeping money in the market. So I try to walk this tightrope of having as much money as I can in the stock market without having to worry about it, but also keeping enough in my safety net where if something does happen, I'm not struggling for cash and I don't have to dip into my investing portfolio. So I paid a little bit more money buying a car than I expected. If you've looked at the trend of used car sales, it makes sense why that happened. But as a result, my safety net is gone. Until that gets replenished, which should be in the next couple weeks. Luckily, April is a 3 paycheck month because I get paid on the Friday the 1st and then 2 more times that month. So it should be replenished by the end of the month. And I do have some money sitting in my retirement account that I haven't allocated to specific stocks yet. So I will have some buys in the upcoming weeks. Even if I'm not adding additional funds, I do have some funds sitting on the side in that retirement account. But until that happens, I'm going to be saving as much money as possible. And I think it's really important that I made this video. It's not a super exciting video about talking about specific stocks that I love right now, the clickbait stuff that people really love to see. I wanted to talk about the real side of investing because I feel like it gets overshadowed by some of the more exciting types of videos. We put these rules in place so that we protect ourselves in the future. And as of right now, especially with a day like today where the stock market was up 3%, it's really tempting to throw as much money in there as possible to try to take advantage of the sell-off that we've seen in the market so far in 2022. But I'm holding back and I'm using hopefully some of my maturity to take a step back and think this is a long-term thing. It'd be much more detrimental if I had to pull money out of that investing account, especially considering that most of my portfolio is sitting in the red at this point, and just kind of wait until I get my safety net set back up. I can get some money back on my tax returns. I can have a 3 paycheck month in the month of April. And be sure to like this video so I can get some more money into my savings account. So I really appreciate that. But yeah, it's important to make these rules and stick by them even if it's not super fun. Everyone wants to invest aggressively, but there is a limit to how aggressively you can invest safely and intelligently. So as of right now, I am sitting on the sidelines. It has nothing to do with the geopolitical problems. It has nothing to do with the rising oil prices. It has all to do with me. I made a decision to buy a car, and I'm dealing with those consequences, and that main consequence is I don't have enough money sitting in my account to consistently add in my portfolio. So I want to make this video talking about why I've decided to halt all stock market buys at this point. Hopefully you guys continue to support these videos, and let me know in the comment section down below what type of topic you'd like me to discuss in a future video, or what type of specific stock or types of stock you'd like me to discuss as well. I really appreciate all the support. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'm getting closer to 10,000 subscribers. I need your help to get to that point. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.